Welcome to daily tutorials. This video is going to be all about the input type color. So let's get started. First, we're going to start with the form, and then inside we're going to have a label. And inside we're going to have color, input, and we're going to change text to color. Now let's take this out and let's check the browser. Now this is our color palette. That's right here. Here we can add the RGB colors and change them as you see right here. Also, we have the HSL colors, which stands for hue, saturation, and lightness. And also we have the hex model. Now here in VS Code, we're going to add another attribute, which is value, so we can set the default color, so value. And here you must put it in hex format, so let's put a green color, so number sign, 2 zeros, 8000. Now let's check the browser. Here we have our green color as a default. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you next time.